We can also use this solution as an Android and iOS application and get the accurate data in just few clicks. We can save this data or send to our database.
In this video, we will see how OMR sheet reader will work for this type of OMR sheet, and now we will run the script and we'll see how it will work. So it has created the outputs, and the main output is this, which it detects where the marked has been marked by the candidate. This is the input image and this is the output image. So you can see it is very much accurate and it can detect all the options selected by the candidate very accurately.